In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the VLOOKUP formula in Excel. Open Excel, then open the workbook where you want to use VLOOKUP. Once the workbook is open, look at the orders table and the product catalog. The goal is to use the product ID in the orders table to pull matching information from the catalog, starting with the product name. Click cell D2. This is the first empty product name cell, next to order 101. Now start the formula by typing =VLOOKUP, open parenthesis. As soon as you start typing the formula, Excel shows a tooltip with the 4 pieces it needs: lookup value, table array, column index number, and range lookup. The first piece is the lookup value, which means the value Excel will search for. Click cell B2, which contains the product ID for order 101. Excel inserts B2 as the first argument in the formula. Now type a comma to move to the next part of the formula. The next piece is the table array, which tells Excel where to search. Select the range G2 through J7. This is the product catalog, and you are selecting the data only, not the header row. Excel inserts G2 through J7 into the formula as the second argument. Now press F4. This locks the range using absolute references, so it becomes $G, $2 through $G, $7. Locking the range is important because the catalog needs to stay fixed when the formula is copied down to other rows. Type another comma to move to the next argument. Remember that VLOOKUP searches only in the first column of the selected range. In this case, the first column of the selected range is column G, which contains the product ID values. Now enter the column index number. Type 2. This tells VLOOKUP to return the value from the second column of the catalog range. Since the catalog range starts at column G, the second column is the product name column. Type another comma to move to the final argument. For the match type, type false. This forces VLOOKUP to look for an exact match. If the product ID is not found in the catalog, Excel will return N/A. Without false, VLOOKUP can perform an approximate match and may return the wrong row. Now type a closing parenthesis. The full formula should read =VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, B2, comma, $G, $2 through $G, $G, $7, comma, 2, comma, false, close parenthesis. Press enter. Cell D2 now shows mechanical keyboard, which is the product name matched from the catalog for product ID P-204. Next, copy the formula down the product name column. Click cell D2 again to select it. Move your cursor to the small green square in the bottom right corner of the cell. This is the fill handle. When your cursor becomes a black cross, double-click the fill handle. Excel copies the formula down through cell D9, filling every product name for the remaining orders. Because the catalog range was locked with $signs, every row searches the same catalog range. At the same time, the lookup value changes naturally from B2 to B3, then B4, and continues down the orders table. Now repeat the process for unit price. Click cell E2, which is the first empty unit price cell. Type $VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, B2, comma, $G, $2 through $G, $G, G, $7, comma, 3, comma, false, close parenthesis. The only change is the column index number. This time, the column index is 3, which returns the third column of the catalog range, unit price. Press enter. Cell E2 now shows 89, which is the price for product ID P-204. Click cell E2 again. Move to the fill handle in the bottom right corner, wait for the black cross, and double-click it. Excel copies the unit price formula down through cell E9. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Columns D and E are now fully populated. Every order row shows the correct product name and unit price pulled from the catalog, without manual typing or copy-pasting. Scroll down the orders table to confirm each product ID returned its matching name and price, including row 5, where P-401 shows webcam 1080p and 59.95.